Run Python scripts in PowerShell directly. I'm using Windows PowerShell. Let's say I have a script called test.py that prints a few things. If I do, then it opens a CMD window which prints a few things and then closes. It's actually running the Python interpreter under CMD. If I do, it acts like I'd expect it to, with the output appearing in PowerShell. How can I make it so that the script will run in PowerShell when I just give its name?
Edit the pathtext environment variable and add the py extension. Just add this line to your PowerShell profile. Or you could just edit pathtext globally in the system settings. Just search in the Start menu for Environment and choose the option for Edit Environment Variables for your account.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.